Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to unbox M33 5G, which I have purchased from Amazon. Going to unboxing the 5G phone, and before unboxing it, let us see the quick features of this phone. It comes with a quad camera, 6000 mAh battery, and full HD display. The camera consists of, it comes with a quad camera with 50 megapixel on its back with another 2 megapixel cameras and a front selfie camera of 5 megapixel, and it comes with a massive 1000 mAh battery, and its variant is 8 GB RAM and with 120 GB of internal storage, the mystic green color. Opening this phone for the first time, it comes with a SIM ejector tool and the USB Type-C to C cable, obviously not with an USB adapter. The color which I have ordered is mystic green, as you can see, and it's an 8 120 GB variant. That is, it contains 8 GB RAM and 120 GB internal storage. Powering on it for the first time. As you can see, the logo appears. It will take some time, taking some customization steps there. Let us do this step quickly. Most forwarding it. Don't lengthen the video. Make it as quick as possible. Quickly setting up the settings of this phone. Here appears the fuse button, and after finishing up the settings in the phone, here appears our first full screen of the SAMSANG M33 5G. This is the first look of the SAMSANG M33 5G, which has just started. It comes with this 4 tabs, which we can delete later. It comes up with an Android version of 13 with 5.11 UI support, and it also supports 25 fast charging, which obviously you have to purchase separately. Typical battery is actually 6000 mAh, but actual rated capacity is 5830 with a 9 volt 0.77 ampere of support, charging support. That is all for now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.